Hey, this is Tim from This Old Detailing Dude. Today I'm going to be comparing some products. We're going to be comparing Yum Foam Pre-Wash to Griots Garage Brilliant Finish Foam Pre-Wash, okay? We're going to use our Griots Garage gun, and we're going to use our Mad Tip Care Car, all right? And we've got our clock here, so to count the minutes. This is the car we're doing, okay? As you can see, it's quite dirty. Once you take a good look, especially it's obvious on the hood. Look on the hood, how dirty it is. We got bird bombs, all right? Quite a bit of dirt there, all right? And one half of the car is gonna get Griots Garage, the other half is gonna get Yum, all right? See how dirty this is? They're both super dirty, all right? See how dirty it is? This really shows how dirty it is in the sunlight, all right? So that really is the whole car, all right? So what we're gonna do is use the pre-wash, pH neutral pre-washes. I've been trying to find a super good pre-wash that is basically pH neutral, that can be done almost like a touchless. And I think these guys are pretty much there. Now, normally, this is a half full of foam cannon. As you can see, that one's also half full, all right? So what we're gonna do is, normally the Yum is 100 mLs per liter. This is 4 ounces per liter. So basically half of each. Again, this is Yum, okay? Looks like blood, doesn't it? All right, it also smells like ass. So be careful when you smell that. It doesn't smell the best. This smells like cherry. This smells great. This is unbelievable. All right. Now, I only chose the 2 different foam cannons because I didn't want to get confused with the products. So, all right. So we're going to move these out of the way, and we're going to start foaming the car, and then we're going to use our stopwatch to foam it, to watch the time all the way. So let me get these set up real quick, and then we're going to foam it on. All right, and then we're going to see what happens. All righty. There we go. That's the Yum. Just going to shake it up a little bit, agitate it so it's all good. I'm using my Active 2.3 today, pressure washer with my Griots Garage gun, and really enjoying that. Been using the Griots Garage gun now for several weeks. I saw people did a other video on it. I'm going to do my own. Some other people weren't that complimentary. I can understand why, but I'm starting to really enjoy it. Now here's the Griots Garage, all right? Since this is in the hand, we're gonna do this one first. Are you ready? And we're gonna start the clock here in a second. We're gonna put this on. Oh, you know what? I need to plug in my, my pressure washer. I need to turn that puppy on. That would probably help. So anyway, but I've been trying to find a good pH neutral pre-wash that could almost be like a touchless. I've been kind of really enjoying that, and I've been trying to want to get that accomplished, and I've been testing quite a few products. I have not tested the Opti one yet, but I will shortly. All right, I will be testing that shortly. All right, there we go. Now it's on. Okay, since Griots Garage is on there first, here's the Griots Garage. We're gonna foam this side of the car, and we're gonna start the clock as soon as I start, all right? Here we go. Now, I've been using a 1.1 in here. I should probably change that to a 1.45. That's one of the reasons why it's so runny. There we go. And that would be helpful. Now we're going to do the Yum on the opposite side. And we're going to start the clock as soon as I come back. Here we go. We're going to take this. Now I foamed it a little too much on the hood. I didn't foam any on the front hardly. So we're going to start the Yum on this side, and we're going to see how it goes. Let's see if I... Now this is Yum pre-wash, okay? You're supposed to put a thin layer on first and then a heavy one on there, but I don't know if I can do that and start all the clock and everything else. All righty, come on, Tim. Get that hose over here. I didn't put my wheel chucks in there, so see, this is what happens when you don't put your wheel chucks in there.